Hi guys, this is Brutal by Olivia Rodrigo. We've got two sections. The first one sounds like this. Okay, so all power chords, and we start up on the 7th fret, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strums, then shift down a fret to the 6th fret just once, and then to the 5th fret just once. So, okay, I'm going to do that 4 times in a row, and then we're going to stay on the 5th fret, and we're going to do 7 strums, a little pause, and then another 7. Then just 7 down at the 4th fret, with a little pause again in there, and then we're going to go to 3rd fret and 2nd fret, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the second section, the chorus, we're going to start down with an open E chord. Okay, so catching the open top string and my finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and we're going to do everything in 8s at this point. So we're going to count 2 lots of 8 on that chord. Same thing up at number 7, 2 lots of 8. Okay, down to the 5th fret, just 1 lot of 8 this time. Then we're going to go back to 7, but on the root 5. Okay, so I've gone underneath. Same thing, just 8 on this one. And then above that one, back to the top set, and we do 9 strums with a pause. Cheers for watching, guys. Let me know how you get on in the comments, and if there's any other particular songs you wanted me to do a video on, and give us a like and subscribe, really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.